Welcome back to New Car Updates. Today we're diving into a true behemoth of luxury performance and style, the all-new 2026 BRABUS Big Boy 1200 Motorhome. Buckle up because this isn't just a motorhome, this is a fortress on wheels. Based on a heavily modified Mercedes-Benz chassis, the Big Boy 1200 is an apex predator of the RV world, pushing out an insane 1200 horsepower from its twin turbocharged V12 engine tuned by BRABUS. With all-wheel drive capability and adaptive air suspension, this beast doesn't just sit pretty, it glides over asphalt, gravel, or even off-road trails like a luxury yacht. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that rivals five-star penthouses. Italian leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting that sets the mood for every mile. The living space includes a plush lounge with voice-activated smart controls, a 3D surround sound system by Bang & Olufsen, and a 5G integrated command center that keeps you connected everywhere. A chef's dream on the road, the kitchen boasts Miele appliances, a wine chiller, and a smart oven that can be controlled right from your phone. When the day is done, retreat to a luxurious bedroom complete with a massage bed, starlight ceiling, and retractable privacy screens. It's not just sleeping, it's floating in style. And yes, the bathroom looks like it came straight from a luxury hotel. Rainfall shower, ceramic heated floors, and even a built-in scent diffuser. Oh, and did we mention the hidden garage? The Big Boy 1200 can carry your supercar in the back, because every king needs a chariot. The 2026 BRABUS Big Boy 1200 isn't just about where you're going, it's about how unforgettable the journey can be. Luxury, power, and limitless freedom, all in one package. If you enjoyed this beastly masterpiece, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to New Car Updates for more mind-blowing machines coming your way. Until next time, drive big, live bold.